Hi guys, and welcome to Abhishek's cooking show. If you're watching this video, I feel really bad for you because you're trying to learn how to make something to eat from me, and I don't know anything. So I'm not sure how this is going to help you. It probably won't, might kill you. I strongly suggest, in your own interest, that you stop watching this. But if you are really tired of life and you want to continue watching, go ahead. So let me just quickly show you what we are doing here. We are making a smoothie, and smoothies are really healthy. So here is what we have. We have some grapes pre-washed. It's very important to wash the grapes because they have a lot of pesticides on them, but also because it feels really good when you touch those smooth grapes under water, and it's like a little game you can make out of it. And also peeled bananas. It's important to peel the bananas because I don't know, do you eat banana skin? So peel it. And then we have some curd here. I have used curd here. I did have yogurt. Anyways, yogurt is just curd that got a green card. So here we are ready. So you put your banana into the blender, and then you will put some of the grape, right? So you can see now you have grape and you have banana. And I'll put some curd. Right now, this is too healthy, right? Because we already put a lot of healthy stuff. We are not putting any sugar. But as you know, some great people have said that if you suddenly eat something really healthy, it might kill you. So we will just add a dash of Pepsi just to make it a little unhealthy, so that our body doesn't react very badly to the food which is too healthy for us. Might be. No. So now it's time to put our yeah, there you go. And now we blend it. Okay, all set. This is gonna explode, right? Pretty sure it is. Anyways, let's test it out. Awesome smoothie being made right now. That should do it. Let's try it. Let's see what we have. Yeah, we are done. We have an awesome smoothie which is just very little unhealthy. So you should be okay, but otherwise it's okay. And let's pour the smoothie. First you have to figure out how to lift up. There you go. That's how this gets out. And now I'm pouring it, right? A little chunky. I think I didn't whip it enough. I'm sorry, I didn't blend it enough, or whatever, Nutri-Bullet it enough. And that's how you make an extremely healthy, slightly unhealthy smoothie. Don't make it. Don't put the Pepsi. It's a terrible idea. Thank you.